Our alumni are pioneers who've accomplished incredible feats. They were involved in the mission control team that safely returned Apollo 13 to Earth, conduct research for the Federal Aviation Administration, oversee the operations of the International Space Station, and created a caramel-flavored version of a beloved bite-sized chocolate treat. We are STEM strong. Imagine a world where your passions collide with groundbreaking discoveries, where your dreams are powered by science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
I came here because I knew that I would not just be a number.
Everybody is treated like a family.
They push for innovation in this school.
I would say if you want to maximize the potential of your education, then you need to come to SWOSU.
Your journey to becoming STEM strong starts here. Visit our website at swosu.edu and be part of something extraordinary.